Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to set custom notification sound on the Redmi A5. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on sound and vibration. Now just scroll down and tap on default notification sound. Now from here, if you scroll down and tap on add notification, you can select any sound which is downloaded on your smartphone to set it as your notification sound, just like that. And this is how you can set custom notification sound on the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.